Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga tagapanood, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Nasa bahay, nasa biyahe o nasa trabaho, maghahatid na naman tayo ng mga mainit na laro. We are here at the Paco Arena in the city of Manila for the SLA DOJ Interagency Basketball Tournament Secretaries Cup for the 4th game day of this tournament. For game number 1, this will be between the LRA Titulados or Land Registration Authority and the PCGG Guardians. And as you can see, everyone from both of their teams in full attendance to support their home teams. And on your screens right now, sporting the white, green, and gold are the LRA Titulados making their debut game tonight. And on the other side of the court, itong LRA, I wanna shine a brighter spotlight on these guys, no? Sa active roster nila, which we will flash on the screen. Ayan, nandito na sina Albert Francisco, Apaw, Juan, Magsayo, Africa. Hindi na po natin mababanggit lahat ng pangalan, pero they are head coached by Rogelio Cano Jr. and their 50.
Live inside the Paco Arena, the city of Manila. Welcome to SLA DOJ Interagency Basketball Tournament Secretary Scott, LRA Titulados. Point guard number 1, Jonathan Jose. Shooting guard number 9, Michael Murasigan. At center number 10, Odell Aquino. Small forward number 2, Leif Ontiveros. And power forward number 24, Marlon Faustino. LRA Titulados is led by Coach Roger Cano Jr.
Balilia trying to steal it with Cerdena. Good anticipation by Burgos. Napaganda pa para kay Faustino.
Yes.
So far,
ba?
medyo nangangamay overtime. And feeling ko, yun yung either pinapangarap or kinatatakutan ng lahat. Ang overtime as a great pass to the inside to Faustino to end the third quarter. 43-40 ang ating score. All the way to the hub. Ayaw pa rin. Second serving is good para kay Faustino.
Yes, strong rebound by Faustino on the offensive boards. Gets him 2 points with that putback.
Of the Guardians that has proven effective in their games.
So battle lamang uli ng 1 point.
Faustino nagpasabit pa, nakuha pa yung foul.
Yes.
And gets the basket. Grabe naman yung
opportunity for Faustino to have a 3-point play on his own. Bumitin pa some hang time shown to us by Faustino.
That is your lakas drive of the quarter, brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. Akala ko kasali sa children's party may pabitin eh. Pero may pabitin din pala sa ere. Itong si Faustino, number 24 of LRA Titulados. Sayang lang di nag-convert sa free throw, but almost a steal. Hoxon gets it, but stolen away here.
Marasigan.
Faustino gets the easy basket there.
Great deep.